Climate changes has given directions to the energy sector in recent years. The demand for less coal use determines the development of renewable energy sources. All this to accumulate as much energy as possible and lose it as little as possible. The use of renewable energy has numerous benefits, including reduction of greenhouse emissions, diversification of energy supplies, reduced dependence on fossil fuel markets, in particular coal, oil and gas. In case of renewable sources, in particular wind farms and photovoltaic farms, the key problem is the effective management of the surplus of generated electricity. It is therefore influenced by changing weather conditions, which cause fluctuations in energy production and consumption. In accordance with the Polish energy policy until 2040, it is desirable to develop solutions that will enable progress in the field of energy storage, especially those that would allow greater use of energy produced from renewable sources. Hydrogen can play a significant role in this field, as it allows for a relatively long period of fuel storage, and the ability to quickly respond to the needs of the system. The circumstances for low emissivity of the storage process is the use of the so-called green hydrogen, meaning hydrogen produced from REs. This type of hydrogen can be used as an energy buffer or as a fuel. In both cases, fuel cells are used for the reproduction of electricity, which is supplemented with temporary energy shortages, or machines and devices, for example cars, are directly propelled. The essence of the Hydrogen Energy Buffer project is to develop an intelligent and maintenance-free system that will stabilize the operation of power grids based on modular hydrogen energy buffer installations. The implementation of the project is a response to the call of the energy market in Poland, such as stabilization of the distribution network by reducing interruptions in energy supply and improving the quality parameters, increasing the flexibility of the grid, enabling the connection of a greater number of renewable energy sources, supporting the storage technology by green hydrogen, which is an ecological and environmentally friendly fuel. Development of additional concepts for the use of hydrogen, for example, to supply excess energy to electric cars belonging to the Enea operator fleet. The Hydrogen Energy Buffer project is implemented by a consortium of 3 entities: Enea operator, the West Pomeranian University of Technology in Szczecin, and the University of Szczecin. The project was co-financed by the European Union,